Hey guys, welcome back. It's your boy Keys. Binance, this is Binance affiliate exclusive program where you get about you get a share of 25,000 BUSD rewards that's going to ongoing. So all you need to do is that you need to open an account on Binance, or if you already have an account on Binance, you need to start making verifications for your intermediate verification, because coupled with these uh, regulatory issues that Binance has been having, there's now need for people to make intermediate verifications where your photos and pictures need to be part of your account as part of the KYC. So it says here Binance is launching an exclusive KYC referral campaign for our affiliate community from 2021 September to on the 18th of September. So this timeline is for 2 weeks. So you fill in the application form with your Binance UID. Encourage your referrals to complete intermediate verification and share $25,000 prize pool. So guys, this is something you want to do. So whether we were referred by you, or you have, so if you have people you've referred, or if you're seeing this as the first time, this could be you. So all you need to do is sign up on Binance. You are eligible on this offer, then tell people to fill in, refer people to the program, then tell them to finish their intermediate and verification issues. So this is the rewards. He said if you get a number of eligible verified referrals, if you get 10 to 50, you are eligible for $5,000 BUSD. So there's just, these are it works: 10 to 50, $5,000 BUSD, and that's huge money, guys. Said eligible referrals are defined as users who register with your affiliate link and pass intermediate verification during the promotion period. To share this ongoing campaign, verify your accounts now and get a 500 BUSD savings trial fund voucher. So with referrals who have not completed intermediate verification, referrals will get a 500 BUSD savings trial fund voucher if they complete. So that's it. So guys, I'll be dropping a link in the description box so you can get access to this on Binance, so you can get access to this old stuff. So one of guys, I hope this update is helpful to you. If you're seeing this for the first time, Binance is a platform where you can make peer-to-peer exchange. If you can buy cryptocurrency, you can make gain. But we're doing more videos on how to make profit. I think it's related to crypto arbitrage and arbitrage trading and a lot of other stuff. So guys, just tell your referrals they should jump on this, and I think you're good to go. If you have any questions, can you drop them in comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you want updates like this, if you find this one helpful. So one of guys, your back is, and give this video a thumbs up. Peace out.